This problem is for white to live. The top priority, of course, is to prevent these two black stones from pulling back. If white only tries to increase eye space here, then black will pull back like this, and white will not have enough space to live. So white must come up with a way to prevent black from escaping. But the problem is that if white simply plays this, then now black can reduce white's eye space from here. And now white will not have enough space to live, right? The eye space just happens to be too small. This will be a bulky 5. This will be a fake mutual life, right? This is not a real mutual life. This is a dead shape for white. So it will be a straight 3 at the end, not a bent 4. And if white tries this, right, of course white is hoping to capture black like this because you can have an eye here on the 1-1 point. But what black can do is simply play this, and now if white plays here, then we're back to a bulky 5 shape. And please note that white doesn't have a real eye here, right? It's one move short of a real eye here. So white is still dead. Similarly, if white plays here, black will play this, right? White will still fail. So the correct move for white will be this 2-1 point right here. Of course, if black plays this, white can succeed very easily. So black's strongest move is to stand down here. Now white can actually increase eye space this way, because these 3 black stones cannot connect back. What white can do now is to throw in and throw in again, and this will be a connect and die situation. So white can guarantee at least one real eye here on the corner, and with number 3's help, white has another eye here. So white has 2 real eyes. So after 1, 2, and 3, white can actually guarantee a living shape. So this is a problem where the objective is pretty clear. White both needs to prevent black from connecting back, and white needs to increase its eye space. And number 1 is the only move that allows white to achieve both objectives. It takes a little bit of patience to find number 1, but overall it shouldn't be a super complicated problem. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.